Welcome to the Pyypl Crypto Card Review Usage Experience. If you're interested, I've added links to the product in the description below. In this video, I'll give you a detailed look at the Pyypl Crypto Card, covering its standout features, target users, and my personal experience with it. The Pyypl Crypto Card is designed for those who want a hassle-free way to use their cryptocurrency for everyday spending without being tied to a traditional bank account. This card allows you to spend digital assets easily by converting them into local currencies at the point of purchase, making it ideal for anyone looking to bridge the gap between crypto and traditional finance. What makes Pyypl stand out is its simplicity. There's no need for a credit check or lengthy sign-up process. It's especially convenient for individuals in regions where access to traditional banking services is limited, or for those who prefer to keep their finances decentralized. Pyypl supports a range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, which can be converted to fiat currencies like USD or AED on the go. The card can be used globally anywhere. Visa is accepted, making it a solid choice for frequent travelers or anyone looking to use crypto in a variety of everyday settings. The Pyypl app is the control center for everything. Managing funds, viewing transaction history, and topping up the card are all straightforward tasks thanks to its intuitive interface. It also includes basic security features like PIN codes and the ability to freeze the card instantly if it's lost or stolen. One of the significant advantages of the Pyypl Crypto Card is its low barrier to entry. Users don't need a bank account to get started, and the verification process is quick and simple. Fees are transparent, with minimal costs for loading crypto onto the card and converting it to fiat. This card is perfect for crypto enthusiasts who want a practical spending solution and those in emerging markets who might not have access to traditional financial systems. In short, the Pyypl Crypto Card makes crypto spending easy and accessible, with minimal complications. If this sounds like the right tool for you, check out the links in the description for more details.